Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another cooking for bae videos. Just to clarify, these videos, bae could be like your bestie, bae could be family, bae could be your boo thing, whatever, that's just the title. But I am cooking for bae tonight, or maybe I'm cooking with him. I haven't really decided yet, but I've partnered with Feastbox UK on this video. They sent me this gorgeous package with pretty much like everything that I need to make a Thai dish, 2 Thai dishes. So I tried one out earlier this week. I made a pork krapao. I didn't even know what that was until I made it, and I was so surprised at how good it turned out. Basically, they sent you all the ingredients, they send you the seasoning, everything in the right perfect quantity, so you don't have to worry about if you're putting the right amount in, you don't have to worry about the flavor. Everything turned out great, fabulous. So I said to Gabriel, I'm like, look, let's do the second dish tonight, and I'm gonna be making a beef rendang. This is the beef rendang, so you kind of have an idea of what it needs to look like, and then on the back of it you have step-by-step ingredients. Gabriel just walked by the window and he's like, what is she doing? He's just seen me talking to myself. But basically step-by-step ingredients. So we're going to be giving the beef rendang a go tonight. So basically Feastbox UK, you get a set meals for 2. You order, they have a whole list, you order, you pick the ones that you want to use, and they basically have recipes from all over the world, and they really source the ingredients from that specific part of the world. So it's very authentic, very genuine. And honestly, like the first meal I made, I was so surprised at even the quality of the pork mince. I never buy pork mince because it never tastes that good. I think he knows that I'm filming, so he's not pressing the buzzer. Let him in.
I could have eaten it myself. Like, I was in Waitrose earlier, I was like, sorry.
No, I like white chocolate, thank you.
I've been eating loads of it.
It's not been washed, but it's not.
They look as though they've been washed.
Yeah, and it's not good as well.
Oh, wow.
So I don't know how.
Oh, so is this what I arrived at?
Yeah, it's the box that it came in.
Okay.
You're not meant to be in the video.
Oh, what is it?
It's just like stand to the side or something.
Oh, you can edit me out of that.
Yeah, I'll edit you out of it. So yeah, it's the box that came in. So we're gonna give this a go, see how it turns out. Should be good. Should be fun. So I ordered a beef rendang, and it's Thai food and sticky rice. I don't even know what it is, to be honest, but
that sounds good.
yeah, I had the pork krapao earlier this week, and that was really good, and I definitely didn't know what that was.
Pork what? Oh right,
Pork
yeah.
krapao. Have you heard of that?
No.
Yeah, it was actually really good. So okay,
Cool.
so do you want to cook, or should I cook, or we cook together? Or
I can't cook, I'm not allowed in the video.
you are.
Oh, yeah.
It's down here, so I can't see your face.
Okay.
You can help me chop.
You can hear me though?
Yeah, that's right.
Right. Alright, yeah, I'll chop using the golden knives.
Well,
No, that's cool. This is very
but all the ingredients have already come in the exact quantities, so you don't have to like
very
wear.
upmarket, isn't it?
Huh?
This is like very
I like the idea of it. It worked so well
yeah.
when I did it last time. So everything came in this cute little bag, and then all the spices, everything.
Oh.
I love this song. Guys, these are the ingredients.
So mixing bowl, combine the stir fry beef strips. But you need a mixing bowl.
A mixing bowl. Oh god, I hope I have one of those.
You have 20,000 followers. Yeah.
Very small amount, to be honest. Oh, okay, so my beef is in the bowl. 500,000 at least. I've got a way to go.
Yeah.
Beef's in the bowl. What do I do next?
Where's the spice blend? Throw that in.
A spice what?
Blend.
What's that?
The aromatic spice blend.
Aromatic spice. Oh.
Yeah.
Aromatic colour blend.
Yeah, throw that in there.
Okay.
Desiccated coconut, whack that in.
That one, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, it smells a bit interesting. Probably shouldn't have microwaved it.
Nope. There you go.
Okay, that's a lot of.
And a pinch of salt and pepper.
Okay, pinch of salt and pepper. Are you exasperated with me?
Pardon? No.
You better not be if you want to eat dinner.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That smells good.
Sorry. I haven't even started cooking. How can it smell good? It says a pinch of salt and pepper.
Yep. You're gonna have to use your own for that.
Do you reckon?
I think
Okay.
so. I doubt they'd give you a pinch of something.
I was actually looking for the pinch of salt and pepper. Okay guys, for the pinch of salt and pepper you've got to use your own. So I reckon that's a pinch.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
No, I like pepper. That's not a pinch.
It's my 10. Okay.
This is mine.
Yep.
Make sure the ship. No, you do that.
Pardon?
I'll hold this. Okay, fine.
I'll
Oh my
do
god,
it.
you were just here to you're just here to look pretty, aren't you?
Yep.
Oh, did you wash your hands?
Yes.
When?
Not long ago, before I left
How
the
long
house.
ago?
Before I left the house. They're clean.
Do you want to wash? Okay, go ahead.
You want to wash them again now?
He says they're clean.
They are.
I'm gonna trust you. Go ahead. Marinate the beef. What are you doing?
Beef.
Once you've marinated them and caressed them tenderly, they'll warm up.
Okay.
Can you do some tender caressing, please? Aren't you glad I'm not putting your face in now? You do like such a man. Come on, get in there.
Pardon?
Like, get in there, like, work it in, like, yeah.
I'm separating this frozen strips.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So this
what
is
are
my
you
portion.
doing?
Where's yours?
What do you mean that's your portion? That's both of our portions.
Okay.
I think we're doing okay so far.
Yep. So throw it in there.
That's my step. You're meant to be doing the lemongrass.
Knife.
Okay.
Just cut this in half, yeah?
So, yeah, slice in
Thicker
half
half.
widthways,
Uh-huh.
and then chop the thicker half as fine as you can. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine, which is combine the crushed garlic and crushed ginger and red chili flakes, galangal, and the chopped half of lemongrass to form a curry paste.
Well, just cut this into like little strips.
Yeah, as finely as
Why
you
did I-
can. Peel and grate. I'll get you a grater. Peel and grate the galangal. Not that I even know what a galangal is, but
How the hell did you start peeling this?
let me show the audience what a galangal is. With a knife. How would you peel ginger?
Okay.
Are you stressed already?
No, I'm just trying to think. So do I chop it in half?
No, let me. Do you want me to peel it first?
Yeah,
Okay, should we
yeah.
swap jobs?
Yeah.
Okay, you make the paste. I'll do the galangal.
Peel as in this? That peeling?
No, with the knife.
Okay.
You're funny. Okay, let's swap. Okay, you carry on with the paste. Hey, Daddy.
Hey,
Not fooling anyone.
that looks dangerous.
Yeah, especially when you're using a good knife.
Maybe I should do that.
Oh.
Yeah, let me do
Would
it.
you stab yourself?
Move.
Okay. Yeah, so that's how you peel the galangal.
Just do this.
However you want to do it. Wait for this and then you can do the beef.
Really?
The manly one to do, no?
No,
You
I'll
wanna do this?
Yeah, because that's
Okay.
all over in your hands.
Are you showing off at the camera now?
No.
He doesn't want to ruin my hand, guys. Where were you then 10 years ago when I started waitressing and carrying hot plates in my hands? So,
Oh, this is hard work.
Skippy, you're doing it then. Standing look pretty. Rest, okay.
Have you got
It's
spatula
good.
I can use?
I think it's meant to be high heat actually, not low.
Okay. Yeah, no, but that is
Just
hot.
to brown. Okay,
Ready?
yeah.
Just gonna go.
I'll get you a spatula. Okay,
you.
2 to 3 minutes to brown, and then we put it on the plate. We'll put it on this plate. What do you think?
Yeah, are we going to cook it again in a minute? This
Sure.
is some of this is still like got red bits on. Hasn't like completely cooked.
Yeah, you do add it.
Okay.
Yeah, you do cook it
So
again.
let's take it off the heat then. Yeah?
Okay. Plate, you've got to put it in the plate. I'll put it here.
All of it?
That's a good point. That's a good point. Yeah, all of it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Yeah, okay,
What's the
one
other?
pod.
There's one other ingredient we need to throw in here.
That one, the tamarind chutney. I'll check how much. One pod, yeah, okay. Battery is dying. Guys, this recipe is actually a bit more complicated than the one I did.
All of this?
Like, yeah, all of it. It's a bit more complicated than the one I did earlier in the week, but hopefully that means it's going to be a bit more delicious. Actually, a lot more delicious.
Spoon, please.
I don't know. If it's not, I'm blaming this one. Spoon. Okay. Here. To be honest, you've done most of this, so if it isn't, if it doesn't taste good, it's definitely
Well, I blame the frozen.
the frozen beef. You're not meant to tell them it's frozen.
There you go. There. I don't.
Yes, please.
Got mine.
Wine? What
You
wine?
never nut beer, do you?
Oh, did you bring any wine?
Huh? Yeah, I was going to bring some wine.
Why are you offering me wine if you didn't bring any? I don't have wine.
Oh, you don't have any wine?
No.
Oh. Unless you have this beer. Which...
Go ahead. So guys, it looks like it's pretty much done. We just give it a few more minutes to simmer. I think we did a good job, but this was actually more complicated than the one I did earlier on in the week. So I'm going to start on the starter now and make a little cocktail, and then dinner is served. Beef rendang with sticky jasmine rice. Hey. So guys, this is the finished product. It looks amazing.
All this stuff.
Yeah, just detangle it. It looks good, doesn't it? We're gonna have dinner now. We did good.
Where we're sitting, by the way?
Just in front of the TV, I reckon. Or do you want me to do the table?
No. Shall I take off my white top in case I spill something to myself?
Do you want a bib?
No,
Do you want me to get you a bib? Oh, you want to be topless? Well, I think we'll have to cover up everything then in case my housemate comes home.
In case you get excited.
No, in case my housemate comes home. Okay, put another shirt back on.
What's wrong with this?
He's like a 60-year-old man.
Is he? You think who's this white guy with you think I should have better manners?
You think you should have better manners. Think
Oh,
of what
better
you're
body.
doing.
Yeah, I've taken it off.
Oh my god, okay. If you shut your James, put your shirt on. What is he doing? Go away.
Have you got something I can wear?
I'll find you something.
I'll take this through.
What is he wearing?
Oh my god.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm putting that on camera.
Davis.
What are you wearing? Okay guys, so it's dinner time. It's time to eat what we have been slaving over. Alright, I need you to eat and tell me what you think. The ages. Tuck in. What do you think?
Yeah, really go.
What does it taste like?
Thai beef curry.
This one's useless. Let me try it,
No,
guys.
tastes divine. Really, really nice.
Really nice?
Yeah.
Let me try it. Oh my god, they're just like so flavoursome. Like so many different flavours in there.
Yeah, but it took long enough to make it, so you obviously know it's going to be decent.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's really good.
Keep making those noises.
Why do you have to ruin my video? Okay, this is bomb, guys. There's a certain flavour that I don't know. Maybe it's lemongrass in the rice. Let me check the rice.
No, that's in my rice.
No, but it's an all the
Yeah,
rice.
put it,
Yeah. No, this is bomb, guys. I'm gonna put the link to Feastbox UK in my description box, and they're gonna give you £10 off your first box, of your first 2 boxes, I believe. So definitely check them out if you guys are doing a date night in, or you're cooking something special. You can try lots of different dishes from all over the world, and I've tried 2 now, and I've absolutely loved it. So we're gonna have dinner now, have a little date night, and it's so nice to be able to cook a Thai dish that I had never even heard of before from scratch and it turned out this good. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, we're just doing me, looking good, feeling good, eh? Oh, and he is fabulous in his little pink his little pink robe. You did good. Alright, catch you guys later. Guys, Gabriel ate his and now he's eating mine as well, so I think it must, yeah. I'm not using your real name.
What?
No, he's eating mine. Yeah, that's your fake name.
Wow.
What do you think of Gabriel?
I thought it was that or Gay Boy. I thought, I don't know who you said.
Huh?
I'm glad it was that, but I thought you said Gay Boy.
Oh,
Gay Boy. In this shirt.
yeah. So that was so good. We cleaned our plates. Movie time.